330 Pyro King here. What's going on, Pyros? It's just my 4th of July stash for 2024. Some of the cakes I'm going to be shooting, rockets. Got the Mutants, Rat Bastard, Clobber and Time, Dementors, Lucky Charms, Web Slinger. Got all these other 500 grams to go. Rockets this year will be Radioactive and Gandalf rockets. The shells are Master 6 Plus, Hellraisers, and I forget the other ones. Ball bearings or the salutes. Heck yeah. I'll do a better video here in a couple days. Can't wait. 4th of July 2024. Case of the Gandalf rockets, case of radioactives, Shogun, all reds, Shogun firecracker rolls, some specials in the tub, Master 6 Plus, OG Pyro, Victory March, DC Universe, Willow Beach, Intensity, Power Rangers, 12 Shot Beast, Battle Royale, Mummy Awakes, Whistle to Thunder Instant, and there's a slow one in there. 25 shot Shimmer and Crackling Gold Thunder King, Mega, 49 shot Variegated Peony, some old Bay High double break shells in that old case back there. 12 shot assortment, Recursion, all that's full of shells up in there. Some of my racks, I got to pull out the rest of the racks that are up there. Can't wait for this 4th of July, Pyros. I'm getting excited. Let's go.